Welcome back. Now there is a preferences section of cPanel, and you can change your password for access to cPanel, and you can also change the language that cPanel renders in. You can change the style in which cPanel appears in. Right now you are looking at the retro style, but we can change that style to something else. You can change it to the basic style, and then you'll see a different appearance. And of course then we can go back to the style that we had. We can change our contact information. And of course what we can do is we can determine how we'll be contacted by cPanel if there is an occurrence and when we're contacted. And the last link we'll look at here will be the user manager link. This determines the FTP access and any other access that we have passed on for cPanel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.